Welcome to Milak Online Tutorial. Before us is this question set in the series of WASSCE November 2022 mathematics question. Now this is question number 12. Question number 12. Okay, and it says given that P varies inversely as the square root of 2q and P equals 12 when q equals 8, find the value of q when p equals 21. All right, from the first sentence here, this is under variation. From the first sentence, p is inversely proportional to the square root of 2q. All right, now to remove this sign of proportionality, we introduce what we call constant. So here, this will give us p equals, let us use k as our constant, 2q. Okay, now, since we've gotten our constant and the two variables, all right, now let us find the value of our constant since we are given the value of p and the value of q. So let us put this into this. So here we have 12 equals to k over the square root of 2 times 8. All right, so this will definitely give us k over the square root of 16 equals 12. All right, so moving further here, we have that k, now the square root of 16 is 4, now equals 12. When we cross multiply, so here you have that k equals 4 times 12. So k will now be 48. All right, now find the value of q when p is this. Now bringing back this relation here, we have what k over what the square root of what 2q. All right, so our k here is 48. Now we have to find the value of p. Here is 21. So here you have 21. Now equals k 48. Now the square root of okay, by cross multiplying, now this, when we cross multiply here and this one overcome to this side, so here you have 2q equals to 48 over 21. Okay, so as such here, now you will see 3 here 1. Okay, so 3 here 7, 3 here 1, when that one is, we have 16. So here we have the square root of 2q equals to 16 over 7. All right, from here let us square root both sides. So here you have all is over 2. Sorry, let me clean here. Okay, so here we have over 7. So here you have 2q equals to 16 over 7, or is equal to 2. Now divide both sides. So here you have that q equals to 1 over 2 into 16 times 16 over 7 times 7. 2 here 1, 2 here 8. So here you have that q equals to 8 times 16 over 7 times 7. All right, final answer. So here you have that q now equals 8 times 16 should give us 128, then over 49. Final answer. All right, thank you and God bless, and ensure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification button to be notified of every video. God bless you.